Welcome back to the channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, you can go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Ming, age 80, purchases a whole life insurance policy of $100,000. Well, it doesn't say dollars, but I'm assuming that. But its face amount is $100,000. You are given the policy is priced with a select period of 1 year. The select mortality equals 80% of the mortality rate from the illustrative life table. Ultimate mortality follows the illustrative life table. Interest rate is 6%. Always pay attention to the interest rate. Check if it's equal to the interest rate in the illustrative life table, which is 6%. So it is what we want. We can use life insurance and life annuity values, actuarial present values, so single benefit premiums from the illustrative life table. Calculate the actuarial present value of the death benefits for this insurance. Well, first, the natural question to ask is, what do they mean by the rate being 80% of the rate in the illustrative life table? And it could mean two things, possibly. One is that the probability of dying, Q, is 80% of what it is in the table. And the other possible meaning, the other possible interpretation, is that it means that at any age in the first year of the policy, the force of mortality is equal to 80% of the force of mortality in the illustrative life table. And actually you can solve it either way. I'm using the first interpretation. If you use the second one, then you will find that under these circumstances, the probability of survival during the first year will be equal to the illustrative life table probability to the power 0.8. Think about how this comes about from the force of mortality. But you get the right answer either way. Answer choice, that is. So we will write the select mortality indicated with a superscript of S and mortality related data from the illustrative life table by ILT. The actual present value of the death benefits for this insurance per dollar of face amount is, well, it's 1.06 to the -1, so discounting during the first year, times the probability of dying during the first year, which is the select mortality, plus 1.06 to the -1 times the probability of survival during the first year with select mortality, and then times the cost of life insurance at age 81 from the illustrative life table. And given the interpretation that Q superscript S subscript 80 is 0.8 of Q80 in the illustrative life table, we just rewrite this with Q from the illustrative life table, and we can look up Q80 in the illustrative life table. It is 0.0803, and plug it in, and then we can look up A81 in the illustrative life table, big A81, and that's 0.68. So we plug all these numbers in, and we get 0.6609026. But the face amount is 100,000, so the actual present value that we're looking for is approximately 66,090.26, which is exactly 100,000, the face amount, times the amount that you see there, 0.6609026. And that's answer B. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem comes from Society of Actuaries, the latest exam MLC, It belongs to a society of actuaries, is reproduced with permission, but the solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.